All right, fellow YouTubers. Um, I have a 2012 Dodge Charger SE, and I'm pretty sure this is a common problem on most Dodge Chargers from this year forward. But if you live in an area where you have high dust, just where things get really dusty, and this is a customer's car, mind you, but I just want to point out one thing. Your cabin filter, replace this as often as possible, especially if you live in an area where you live down dirt roads or where there's dust and stuff like that. That's just like a constant presence. Okay, you got young kids in the car, you turn on your AC, you get dirt and stuff in there, and it picks up in this filter. That's where your filter sits in. Okay, so clean that out. Can of brake cleaner, air, whatever you want to use, it doesn't matter. All right. But if you get the humming noise, this is your issue right in here. Here is your blower motor, and right here is this little door. Now this thing opens and closes. And if you see right in here, you can see the dirt already on my fingers. So it gets caked with dust and dirt. So get yourself a can of brake cleaner or a can of air or whatever. Even take out your blower motor, because I mean you can see that it's pretty caked with dust and stuff from just getting up in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a can of brake cleaner and just kind of blow this thing out, get that cleaned up for the customer, and, you know, just kind of take care of all of it for them. So that way they don't have to worry about it. Because if you replace a filter and this is just corroded with dirt and dust and stuff or whatever, like you're not solving the problem when this is still going to make this noise. And if it's driving you crazy every time you turn your car on or off, or you got your AC going, that's not good. It drives the customer crazy. So I'm trying to do what I can for them to make sure that they don't have this problem. Stay tuned, Garage.